saw blade. 13mm. Also 13mm. All right, so on the back of this is going to be this little clip here. You're actually going to be turning it to the right to loosen it. You hold that in, turning this towards me. That comes off. New blade goes back in. Washer back on. And you're going to turn it to the left to tighten it. Button in the back again to lock it. Doesn't have to be super tight, but tight enough. Slot. Make sure the cord is in the right spot. I've had this probably for about 20 years, so there you go.